cut first, it's very difficult to look into it, so it's not easy to hit exactly. When I have an open face cut like this, it's much easier to hit with the other one because my eyes are, I can look down. When I do the other way, it's difficult to look like this, so it's easier to hit. And very often if you have a very high main cut, sometimes you're cutting too long. So if you look down, there is no fiber. So after only 5, it's... Of course, if you stop earlier, you will have some holding wood in the bottom, but it's much more difficult to make this. And also now with my very open face cut, the reason for the open face cut is that now I can see the direction of the bar and I see the bottom at the same time. It's much easier to have control.
コントロールしやすいというのはこういった意味で、木を倒すときに蝶つがりの役割を出しながら、
これはすごい。
まだコントロールされている状態で最後まで倒れます。こういう形です。
Still control.
まだまだ
90 degrees control.
90
Still
度になっても
supporting
まだ
sideways.
こういった蝶つがりの役割を果たしてますので、100% に近い状態でコントロールした状態で倒すことができます。これは繊維質が強い木ですのでこのようになっているので、繊維の強い木はいいですねと。
In Sweden, no. One time okay, but 2 times break off.
スウェーデンでは繊維の強い木はありませんので、2回目でこう切れてしまいますけど、